I'm Salvella from the Elena Hospital. Today I'm going to show you how we prepare a PPH kit. We have grey cannulas that are of a big gauge. We have giving sets, the blood giving set and the fluid giving sets that are used in resuscitation. We have a catheter and a urine bag that we use to empty the bladder. We have gynecology gloves that are used for examination. We have lignocaine and a suture that will be used in case of tears. We have vacuotainers that will be used to collect samples. We need misoprostol that we are going to give the mother to prevent PPH. We have Zinger's lactate that will be used for resuscitation. We need tranexamic acid. We need a number of syringes. That is our kit.